Hey guys, welcome to our channel. By default, your iPhone is set to automatically update apps, but in some cases, you may want more control over the update process. So in this video, we'll show you how to disable automatic app updates on your iPhone 14 Pro. To begin, let's open the Settings app on your iPhone 14 Pro. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down and tap on App Store. Inside the App Store settings menu, you'll find various options related to app downloads. Under the Automatic Downloads section, you'll see different options for automatic downloads. Locate the option App Updates and simply toggle off the switch next to it to disable it. Congratulations! You've successfully disabled automatic app updates on your iPhone 14 Pro. From now on, you'll need to manually update your apps. To do this, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture. Swipe up to view the Updates Available section, which will show you a list of all the apps that have updates available. To update a specific app, simply tap on the Update button next to it. If you want to update all of your apps at once, you can tap on the Update All option. And there you have it. By disabling automatic app updates, you can save data, preserve battery life, and have more control over the update process on your iPhone 14 Pro. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Until next time, take care and stay updated.